Use pry tool to open the lower cover. Unscrew the two fixed screws. Open the ventilation panel directly and unplug the power plug. Remove the kick plate. Take out the adapter cable and connect it to the white plug behind the refrigerator and the original car power plug. Push the refrigerator in and snap it in. Connect the plug to the air outlet panel and put it back. Long press the switch key to power on. Long press the switch button to change cooling and heating. Adjust temperature button. Several seconds without operation to enter the lock screen state. Long press the mode switch button to unlock.